Today, I'm going to show you how to change the voice on ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. Whether you want a smoother voice, a more natural sound, or just want to try something new, like Breeze, Juniper, or Ember, this guide will walk you through exactly where to go and what to tap. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick ChatGPT tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look for the Settings area. Depending on whether you're using the web version or the app, you may need to tap your profile icon or open the menu first. From there, go into Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find the General section, because that's where the voice options are located. In General, look for Voice. This is the setting that controls which voice ChatGPT uses when it speaks back to you. Tap on Voice to open the available choices. You should now see a list of voice options, such as Breeze, Juniper, and Ember. Each voice has its own style, so take a moment to test them out. The easiest way to choose is to tap on a voice and listen to the preview. ChatGPT will play a sample, so you can hear how it sounds before you commit to it. If one voice feels too soft, too deep, or not quite right, simply tap another one and preview that instead. Once you find the voice you like best, select it, and the change will be saved to your account. From that point on, ChatGPT should use your chosen voice whenever voice features are available. If you ever want to switch again later, just come back to the same settings path and pick a different one. That means you can easily customize the voice whenever your preference changes. This is a quick but useful setting to know, especially if you use ChatGPT for hands-free chatting, listening to responses, or making the experience feel more personal. And that's it. You now know how to change the voice on ChatGPT. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.